In the CS exams, you need to score only 50. From when is scoring 50 so difficult? In company secretary course exams, you need to get minimum 40 in every marks and then aggregate 50. So let us say that on average, you should get around 50 marks in every subject to be very safe. Yes, in some subject you may get only 40 or 45, some other subject you may get 55. But then every student says that it is so difficult to get 50 and they get very worked up. But then if you look back at your school or your college, scoring 50 is a student who was very weak. So in CS or in any of the professional exams, scoring 50 is not easy. So what is the difference? First thing you should understand is that in school or in college, if you score 80 or 90 doesn't mean that you are having so much knowledge. The pattern of the exam was like that, and then you had to write whatever you had studied, and you could have by heart what is there in the book, and you knew what kind of questions will come. They really never used to test your in-depth knowledge, but they used to test more or less your memory. So let us face it, that is the fact. But then in company secretary course exams, scoring 50 is not very easy as many students tell, but I am here to tell you that it is definitely easy and you can do it. The first thing you should know is that you really don't have to score 80 or 90 or 70, and it is virtually impossible. Scoring 50 is definitely possible, and you have to change your attitude of how you look at the exam, and that is what I want to tell you. The first thing which you should realize is that scoring 50, when you see the question paper, you should realize that I need not know everything in this question paper. You don't have to know all the 100 marks answers. The answers to all the 100 marks is not necessary for you to know. So this is one big problem which students are facing. So they read the first 2-3 questions and they feel I don't know, and some of them walk out of the exam. They don't even read the other questions, and they are very negative. It is fine if you're negative, but then at least give yourself some time and give yourself some patience for you to do well in the exam. So please realize that you need not know everything in the question paper. Definitely not. The next thing you should note to score 50 is that treat every question in isolation. Don't connect one question with the another. That means if you wrote the first question well, you be happy and you forget that question. The second question does not go well, it's okay, then go to the third question as a separate question. Treat every question like a separate island, and you think there is no bridge between these islands. So once you go from one question to another question, you will look at it freshly and not have the baggage of the past. So you will not be worried about how you did the previous question. You might have done the previous question very well, you might have done the previous question very badly. It just doesn't matter. Just go ahead and treat that question as a separate question. Don't worry that what I will do in the next question or previous question. Write the best answer for the question which is before you. When you treat every question in isolation, what happens is that you will realize that you know something in the answer. But if you're connecting, oh, previous question did not go well, how will I do this question? At that time what happens? You will start feeling worried. Even the answer which you know for the question before you will not be able to write properly because something is happening behind your mind. So something is happening in the background. That is, you're getting worried. My previous question did not go well. So treat every question in separate isolation. Think every question is a separate question. It is a separate house. It's a separate island. It has no connection with the other questions. That will help you to do well to get 50. The next thing you should realize is that end of the day, you have to only get it half right. You don't have to get it 3/4 right. Half is 50. So even if there is a question for 6 marks, if you write good enough to get 3 marks, it is more than enough. Obviously, when you get a 6 marks question and you write the answer, you think you have not written everything which should be written. You know that you have not written everything. You know that you could have written more. You know I missed studying something, and then you'll get worried. But then it's okay. If you feel you have written enough to get 3 marks, it is more than sufficient, because end of the day, we have to get 50 out of 100. 50 out of 100 is 3 out of 6, 2 out of 4, 1 out of 2, half out of 1. So in every question, no matter how many marks is it, even if it is 8 marks question, if you write good enough to get 4 marks, it is more than sufficient. And you will never be able to write enough to get 8 out of 8 or 5 out of 5 or 4 out of 4. So first thing is remove that out of your mind, that it is impossible to get 4 out of 4, 8 out of 8. It is very rarely. Yes, you may get it in financial management, accounting, but generally you won't. So that is why Even if you have done half well, it is more than sufficient. To score 50, another thing which I can tell from my experience is that after all the years which I studied CS and all the years that I have been teaching CS, I can definitely tell you this tip is going to help you. That is, if you want to score 50, always write little more than what you think is enough. So if there is a 4 marks question, you wrote something, it is enough, write little bit more. If it is a 8 marks question, you wrote something and you wrote it is enough, write a little bit more. Same way for even if it is 1 mark question or 2 marks question. If you can write a little more than what you think is enough for that answer, that is the magic between getting 40 and 50. So when you write little more, I am not telling only about the quantity, more in terms of quality. So please don't get it wrong. If you write a little bit more, not just in quantity, but also in quality, you will do well and you will definitely get 50. And please remember, getting 50 is not difficult. It has never been difficult for you right from your school or college, so it should not be difficult now. So a change in your attitude is the first thing you require to get 50, and end of the day, you should only get half of the entire thing. If you get 50 out of 100, it is more than sufficient for you to become a company secretary. For more such videos, subscribe to Ekcel Academy, your one-stop solution for the company secretary course. And also leave us your comments on how you like this video.